some people say that the system amounts to child abuse. Is it something that you have a view on? Or
I do, yes. I mean, one of the big problems is that we have children in Ireland whose whole experience of childhood has been in a centre. They can be 5 or 6, they can be born there, and if their parents obviously are here. It is an issue, and I think it's an issue we have to focus on increasingly. I have been talking to the Department of Justice very recently about, in the first instance, gathering more statistics about what actually the experience of children is in the asylum centres, looking at the childcare provision for them. Many of the children, thankfully, are now going to preschools and using the free preschool year. But the quality of their experience in their families, it's probably primarily an issue about the accommodation, in the sense that they're growing up probably in 1 bedroom, 1 ensuite, maybe 2 bedrooms in a hotel, that's now an asylum centre. And I think we have to focus more and more on the needs, the mental health needs, and just the day-to-day living needs of children in direct provision. I mean, if it was dealt with more quickly, if the families were getting a decision under a year, you might be less concerned. You'd still be concerned about the quality of the children's experiences. But these are children whose whole lives are in direct provision. And we really do have to focus more on what's happening to them and improve the quality of their day-to-day living. It's not an easy issue. We do better than a lot of countries in Europe. We've better facilities than some countries. And other countries are giving families, apartments, flats to live in. Those countries then, there's far more demands on those countries. So it's a very difficult one, but I think the children should be at the centre,